Hey folks, so I wanted to give you a quick overview of what you're doing in the first, in the first part of class. So um, you'll start out in your home folder, which looks a lot less messy than mine does. Go into your Jupyter folder and then make a new folder. And for the name of the folder, make it the name of your object, so M15 or M52 or whatever yours is. I'm going to do this for the Veil Nebula, which is the part of the nebula in the Kelt 16 field that we've seen a few times. Okay, so next up, I want to find a copy of the data or the calibrated images for that. I am going to grab, let's see, it's this folder. Happen to know mine are in this folder. If your images are in 914, they're already here. If they're not in 914, talk to somebody who's in the class who's reduced the 918 data and have them move their folder into here. So I'm going to go into my folder, and there are like a bajillion Kelt 16 images. I'm not going to grab all of those because it turns out it takes a while to copy them. So I'm, in my case, just going to grab the first few Kelt 16 images. You grab, the first, you grab all of the images of your object that are there. And at this stage, it's okay if you have images with different filters in the same folder. I'm going to copy those, go back up to my Veil Nebula folder, and then paste, and then wait. Keep waiting. It is actually doing something. Keep waiting. Keep waiting. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I've got all the images that I want into this folder, and then the next thing you're supposed to do in the course on or this part of it on Tuesday after you've gotten the night review done is please take a look at all of your images, and there's a link in the lecture notes for you to use for writing down some comments about each image if you need to. If the image is fine, there's nothing to comment on, that's okay too. If you don't remember how to look at images, remember there's in the template folder, there's a folder viewing template, so I'm going to copy that. Go back to my Jupyter folder, into the Veil Nebula, and I'll paste that notebook. And then open it up. It's not too much in here. The thing that you're going to need to change is the folder. So if you do what I did and you have the notebook in with your images, you can just use a single dot. Okay, then let me run the cells, and I can look at each of the images now. So notice that the name of the image is down here. You can copy and paste that into the spreadsheet where I'm asking you to put your information. For most of your images, you're probably not going to have any comments on them. That's fine. So notice also that to see the first image, you first had to click on another image, then go back to it. So that is it.